Hey beautiful souls.
Hi.
It's Tim Whild and me, Kafkios, and we are on the other side of the most beautiful weekend. What have you been doing, Mia?
Whoa, what have we not been doing? We have been laughing, crying, connecting, remembering,
dancing,
singing, enjoying, connecting with each other.
It's been the most incredible weekend. Obviously I came in for Sunday, you facilitated Friday night, all day Saturday, and I joined you for Sunday, and it was the entire theme was divine union. Yes. And how to bring that in an energetic sense into everything that we're doing, the balance of the divine feminine, the balance of the divine masculine, and putting to rest a very imbalanced energy that has existed on this planet for a considerable period of time.
Yeah, and to really move up to that observer point where we allow ourselves to no longer judge, because that's so leaking, and to experience that on a new level, to dare to see the ugly within us, to also be able to see the beauty inside of us.
Absolutely.
To compassionately witness the ugly in those around us, so we can see the beauty. It was really like next level of all the work we've already done before. Yeah. But it went to like a deeper level, which is the incredible thing when we managed to come together. But I also know that what we went through this weekend is something that is happening inside of all of us now. It's that deeper, much deeper understanding of what we've actually been working on for so much long time. But it's a new era, and it's finally here.
It is, and the most enchanting, I'm going to use that word, the enchanting part about it is to see this energy within the people that we've been working with. And we had 150 people attend yesterday. Every single person turned up to authentically work, to bring themselves to trust and hand themselves over, and to see that in people is just incredible. It makes everything that we do as teachers and facilitators worthwhile.
Definitely, and I feel that we finally have understood to not fear the shadows anymore. And it's like when you dare to go into the shadow, when you actually get the opportunity to get triggered or notice that you're contracting and disconnecting yourself, leaving your body and disconnecting and separating yourself, it is a window of opportunity to dive deeper. And now we're getting to understand that, okay, either I can close down and I can keep living my life in denial, or I can actually witness the denial and I take the opportunity and dive deep. And why do we dive deep? Because many can be like, okay, but why all this shadow work? It's not so heavy anymore to go and visit your shadows. So it's worth to go down, because when we go deeper, we can access higher levels. So when we go deep, it's because we want to go even higher in our consciousness and ability of accessing love, unity. I mean, oh my God, the energies and encodement of unity this weekend.
That was the thing that really not took me by surprise. I mean, I think I'm past the point of being surprised on this ascension pathway at the moment. Everything that occurs is just so divinely orchestrated, but it's more of it's a treat. That's the way I'm going to describe it. It's a treat to actually have that energy that we talk about, I mean, it's very easy to sit on a soapbox and talk about something, but when you actually experience it, when you see it in action, when you see it being embodied by people, that is when you know that the work has actually been successful.
I mean, 2022, we started 2021. We started with a Unity Consciousness 6-month ascension journey. The Unity Oneness group. And we had our first gathering, 2022. And then we did the 6-month advanced ascension journey, and the Unity consciousness was already anchored. But I think like through this last 6 months, it was developed, and we assisted in anchoring it in. And in January 2025, we're doing next level advanced ascension journey.
The uber super duper advanced one.
Which like is going to be incredible, because once the unity encodement is inside of us and it's already anchored, we can skip a lot of the shadow work, the separation.
Yeah.
So it's really the next level is because we are on that next level and we can access different.
We were talking about that yesterday. I mean, it's if you look at the effects that the sun flares have had on us as a race of ascending beings, what does the sun do when it shines directly above it? The shadows shrink, don't they? They become almost like a super concentrated version of themselves, but when they are found, they can be very intense but short-lived. So we're seeing this occur. It's sort of like these explosions of frequency as they're dispelled, as they're alchemized. But like you say, we don't really have to go digging. It's all just there to be revealed, to be experienced, to be alchemized, and ultimately to just move forwards, preferably in a state of joy.
Definitely, and that was also something we were literally dancing ourselves and singing ourselves through advanced clearings, healings and activations and upgrades. I could see what was happening in the architecture of a light body with that new template of exactly effortlessness, which is our natural state. We know it, and we click into it very easy. We do indeed. We do. And we're here in the rain, effortlessly doing
effortlessly in the rain. Yeah, and it was sunny before we started, but now it's effortlessly raining upon our heads.
Well, we have some offerings coming up. We've been asked to do some work together.
We have.
And step up and show up for you guys.
Yeah.
So we will put that into the list.
Yeah. To go and do the work, won't we?
Yeah, and we look forward to see and hear from all of you that were there, but maybe that many of you tuned in from home also that couldn't be with us. And you were all part of the work. And I'm excited to see how this is going to be, the rings on the water. Yeah, the embodiment process. Because here we go, soon it's summer solstice. Oh, yeah. Not long to go. So and then after that, it's the Pleiadian portal, and then you got the Lion's Gate. Oh, yes. We got work to do effortlessly. Yeah. Celebrating each portal. In a state of wunjo, joy. No fear, no resistance. No. Effortlessly opening up ourselves. Yeah. No plans. Well, you feel our vibes. I hope it goes through the you can receive it. Definitely. I'll sending you all so much love from our hearts to yours. Blessings. Bye for now. Mwah.